I am Vidya, and I work with the Foundation for Indian Contemporary Art, which is an institution based in New Delhi. Originally, I was working as a curator in a gallery, and some of the people around me, we felt the need for a non-profit organization that would, seriously take up issues of whether we're looking at support structures for artists, for researchers, not just for artists, though artists are a very important part of the system, but also other people around them, whether they were curators, whether they were educators, whether they were writers. So an entire ecosystem. So to really think about different kinds of people who are coming or who should be coming to an art space, who should feel empowered there, who should have their questions when they see contemporary art and not feel intimidated. And our association with young artists began with the work that we did at the Students' Biennale in collaboration with Kochi Biennale Foundation. It was a national platform to look at art schools across the country, most government art schools, and to think about, how could we use a Biennale and the kind of energy the Biennale had, the kind of global platform it produced, and the kind of, discussion and energy, and how could that be channeled towards giving some kind of energy to the art schools which are and to people working in different places, and also to actually make that a training ground for curators, that they should return to these sites of production. A lot of curation happens in Delhi and Bombay through the filters of works which are already being framed by the market, they're being framed by various, but what happens when you actually go back to a school and you start to construct some of those frameworks. So we thought it was very important for young curators to go back to these sites of production, not just go back, none of us have gone to it. It's a problem of the whole field. We don't go step outside our little centers. So similarly, to come to Dhaka and to talk about curation with this really interesting group of curators who are also working at various levels within the art system is really nice, and also to see things like the institutions here, the artists here, as well as events like Chobi Mela and all, which one has heard so much about, but I have not come ever for it. So.